Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to block an email on Yahoo. It's really easy and simple. For example, maybe this is an email you want to go ahead and block, right? AliExpress, this one right here. All you need to do is come and click on these three dots and then click on block sender. Okay, so we'll be blocking all future emails and deleting all the existing emails from this email address right here. Then click on block. Okay, so it's currently doing the deletion. There you go. Block sender added. Now, what you can also do, right, is come here, click on these three dots, click on settings. Okay, and then I'll show you exactly what we need to do to block people. So all you need to do now is come click on security and privacy, and you'll see blocked addresses. So if you want to unblock someone, you can place on this trash icon to unblock them. We can add someone as well right here. Click on add and just type in their email address. For example, this one right here, and then click on save and they'll also be blocked. All right. And it's really that easy and simple.